Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Shopify. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Shopify? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 30, 2022, our system ranks the Shopify stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.411. In this period the stock has had a loss of -3.99%. This is an average return of -1% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Shopify, our last headline reads, Shopify stock price down 3.71% on Friday. The Shopify stock price fell by -3.71% on the last day, Friday, September 2, 2022, from $31.27 to $30.11. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 7.13% from a day low at $29.86 to a day high of $31.99. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -11.96% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 3 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 31 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $945.34 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,762.92, and the lowest price was $29.72. Right now the price is 98.29%, or $1,732.81, below 52-week high at $1,762.92, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $13.08, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $201.32 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -96.50% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -100% and -98.48%. The 12-month trend indicates a -99.95% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -100% and -100.10%. This equals a price between $0 and $0.0303 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Shopify stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Shopify stock and sell rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Shopify. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Shopify stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $31.87 and $36.10. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 3, 2022, and so far it has fallen -28.19%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal not applicable days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 185 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 184 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Shopify. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.13 between high and low, or 7.13%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 6.21%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Shopify. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Shopify currently has a price-earning ratio of 231.62. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Shopify meets first resistance at $31.27. If you do not hold Shopify shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Shopify is neutral. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Shopify stock a buy? Shopify holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 6th, we expect Shopify to open up 54 cents and start trading at $30.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.